Have you ever felt that sinking feeling when you try to log into your M1 Finance account, only to find yourself locked out? Perhaps you've forgotten your password, or maybe two-factor authentication is giving you a headache. Maybe M1 Finance's security systems have flagged something unusual and temporarily locked your account. Whatever the reason, being unable to access your investments can be incredibly frustrating and even a little scary. Your hard-earned money, your meticulously crafted portfolio, all just out of reach. It's a common experience, one that many M1 Finance users encounter at some point. But here's the good news: getting back into your M1 Finance account, even after a lockout, is usually a straightforward process. It just requires knowing the right steps to take. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to break down everything you need to know about M1 Finance account recovery and lockout situations. We'll cover common scenarios that lead to lockouts, walk you through the various recovery options, and provide practical tips to prevent future access issues. Whether you're dealing with a forgotten password, a 2FA hiccup, or a security-triggered lockout, this video will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to regain control of your M1 Finance account quickly and efficiently. We'll explore the self-service options available, when and how to contact M1 Finance customer support, and what information you'll need to have ready to expedite the process. Understanding these procedures is not just about resolving an immediate crisis, it's about empowering you to manage your financial future with peace of mind, knowing that you can always access your investments when you need them. So, let's dive in and unlock the secrets to seamless M1 Finance account access. Understanding common lockout scenarios. Before we jump into solutions, it's helpful to understand why you might be locked out in the first place. This helps you pinpoint the most effective recovery method. 1. Forgotten password. This is perhaps the most common reason. We all have so many passwords to remember these days, and it's easy to mix them up or simply forget them, especially if you haven't logged into your M1 Finance account in a while. M1 Finance, like any secure financial platform, will only allow a certain number of incorrect password attempts before locking you out to protect your account from unauthorized access. This isn't to inconvenience you, but to safeguard your assets. 2. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, issues. 2FA is a crucial security layer, but it can sometimes be a source of frustration. This might include lost or damaged 2FA device. If your phone, tablet, or other device where your Authenticator app is installed is lost, stolen, or broken, you won't be able to generate the required codes. Authenticator app sync issues. Sometimes, the time on your Authenticator app, like Google Authenticator, can get out of sync with M1 Finance's servers, leading to invalid codes. New phone/device without transferring 2FA. Getting a new phone is exciting, but forgetting to transfer your Authenticator app setup can leave you in a bind. One-time passcodes not arriving. If M1 Finance sends one-time passcodes via email or SMS as part of their Adaptive Multi-Factor Authentication, AMFA, and you're not receiving them, it could be due to spam filters, incorrect contact information, or network issues. 3. Security lockouts triggered by suspicious activity. M1 Finance employs robust security measures to detect and prevent fraudulent activity. If their system identifies login attempts from unusual locations, multiple failed login attempts, or other suspicious patterns, they might temporarily lock your account as a precautionary measure. This is a good thing. It means they're protecting your money, but it does require you to verify your identity to regain access. This could also happen if you've recently changed your internet service provider or are logging in from a new country while traveling. 4. Account freezes or holds. In rarer cases, your account might be frozen due to regulatory requirements, an internal review, or if there's a dispute related to your account. These are usually more serious and require direct communication with M1 Finance support. You might receive an email from M1 Finance outlining the reason for the freeze and the steps required to unfreeze it, which often involves submitting documentation. Knowing the specific reason for your lockout helps you choose the most efficient path to recovery. Let's now explore the various solutions for each of these scenarios. Step-by-step account recovery solutions. Now, let's get into the actionable steps you can take to recover your M1 Finance account. We'll start with the simplest solutions and move towards more involved processes. Solution 1. Forgotten password, the quick fix. If you've simply forgotten your password, this is usually the easiest to resolve. Navigate to the M1 Finance login page, open your web browser or the M1 Finance mobile app and go to the login screen. Click Forgot Password. You'll typically find a Forgot Password or Need Help link right below the password entry field. Click on it. Enter your email address or username. M1 Finance will prompt you to enter the email address or username associated with your account. Ensure you use the exact email address linked to your M1 account. Check your email. M1 Finance will send a password reset link to your registered email address. This email might take a few minutes to arrive, and it's essential to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox immediately. Click the reset link, open the email and click on the provided password reset link. This link is usually time-sensitive for security reasons, so try to use it promptly. Create a new password. You will be redirected to a page where you can create a new, strong password for your M1 Finance account. Make sure it's unique, combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and isn't something you've used before for other accounts. Log in with your new password. Once your new password is set, you should be able to log into your M1 Finance account. Pro tip: consider using a reputable password manager to store and generate complex passwords. This eliminates the need to remember multiple intricate passwords and significantly improves your online security. Solution 2. Dealing with two-factor authentication, 2FA, hiccups. 2FA is a critical security layer, and while usually seamless, it can sometimes cause issues. Scenario A. Authenticator app code not working, time sync issues. If your authenticator app, like Google Authenticator or Authy, isn't generating valid codes, it's often a time synchronization problem. Open your authenticator app, launch the app on your mobile device. Check time correction settings. Google Authenticator, go to the app's main menu, then Settings, then Time Correction for Codes, and finally Sync Now. This will synchronize your app's time with Google's servers. Other authenticator apps, look for a similar time sync or correct time option within the app settings. Try logging in again. After syncing the time, try entering the new 2FA code generated by your app. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.